All right, back when I was teching for Slayer, Kerry King told me to have two things ready on the side of the stage at all times. I want my 6-string and 6 conies at all times. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make smoked chili dogs. Super easy, check it out, you might learn something. First thing you wanna do is go down to the food and stuff and get yourself a pound of hamburger. The only thing in the package is it says it on the label.
Hamburger.
Cleanliness. Now, you take your hamburger. The secret to this sauce is you need cold hamburger, cold beer. You could use water too if you're on the program. I got a lot of brothers out there that didn't make it through the 70s unscathed. I get you. Instead of beer, just substitute water. About a cup right there. All right, now you got your cold hamburger, your cold beer in the same bowl. You need to mix it up. I just go inside and grab my potato masher, okay? I got this one out of Diane's cabinet. She said it was okay if I went in and got it. So, now, coney sauce is real nice and velvety smooth. And the way you get that is by mixing this together while it's cold to get a good texture. So mix this on up. This is gonna bake down too, so you know what? Throw a little bit of the extra beer you got laying around in there. There we go. Ricky, get in here, show them this. Look at this. This is about the texture you want right here.
That's beautiful, Smokey.
Smooth. All right, just remember, a lot of this is gonna cook off when you throw it in the smoker, okay? So you're gonna wanna have it soupier than you think it needs to be. All right, looks good right there. There we go. Keep the kitchen clean, folks. Clean as you go. Makes it easier at the end. You gotta dice this onion super fine so it cooks down in the sauce. Should take a minute. All right, got that onion diced up. Only thing left to do now is add everything to the chili. So you got your onion.
Ketchup.
About that much. Now you add your mustard. Just plain yellow mustard, all you need. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. That's all your wet ingredients. Now it's time to season into the abyss. The really cool thing about this chili recipe is that when you smoke it, it takes just about as long as an 8-pack of hot dogs. It's good there. Let's go ahead and get this pan off the...
You all right, Smokey?
Shut up, Ricky. All right, get this pan off the smoker. Now you're just gonna transfer your chili over to a nice seasoned cast iron pan. All right, now that's gonna cook down quite a bit between now and an hour from now. All right, now the smoke's rolling and you got your dogs and your chili sauce in the smoker. Go put on the album Ace of Spades by Motorhead. When it's done, get in there and stir things up a bit. After that, go back and listen to the album Overkill. When that's done, so's your dinner. I'll be inside. Pick up your axe, Ricky! All right, it's been about an hour. We've got our chili and our hot dogs in there cooking. Everything's looking real good. Last thing we gotta do, smoke our buns out, toast them up. 89-cent buns. Boom, everything's looking good. You throw these in there, crisp those buns up, give them a nice smoky flavor. A couple more Motorhead tunes, we'll be ready to eat. All right, while we got our buns toasting in there for the last couple minutes, you're gonna wanna get your cheese and onions ready to top these things with. Now I know a lot of you posers out there are gonna run to the store and get shredded cheese. Don't you know one of the best things about metal is the shredding? Do it yourself. Open this thing up like this. We go for a fine shred around here. Don't worry about what kind of cheese you got on here. If you're all worried about what kind of weird, chivy, artisanal cheese you got, go get yourself one of those go get yourself one of them charcuterie boards. Just have yourself some cheese and crackers. I ran into some charcuteries back in '74 with Ozzy. You gotta be careful, man, those things got teeth. Get these dogs out of the oven. All right, let's put these dogs together. Smoked bun. Grab yourself a dog, throw it down on there. Now here is the secret to a good chili dog. Take that dog, you slice it right down the middle. You open that dog up. That way you can get all the chili and toppings down in there. Boom, just like that. Get yourself a heap of chili on there. That. Cheese. Lots of it. Onions. There it is. Smokey's famous smoked chili dogs. Got smoked hot dog, smoked chili, smoked bun. Doesn't get any better than that. Kerry King used to put these down a dozen at a time. Get your smoker going, try out some smoked chili dogs. Like and subscribe, you just might learn something. I'll be inside.